My mother is suing me. Ever since I was little, my mother has always treated me terribly. I remember the countless undeserved punishments and the countless number of mishaps in her parenting skills. Yesterday I cut her off completely. I truthfully can't stand her solely because she has a sense of entitlement over my life. For an example is when she stole my car for the day, because apparently she raised me and has some sort of ownership over my belongings. There has been many more instances, but truthfully the worst of them all was yesterday. She unexpectedly showed up to me and my boyfriend's house and began banging full force on our door. After rolling out of bed, I went to the door, and the second I opened it, she stormed through talking about the new decor she is planning on adding. Basically, my mother was evicted from her apartment and believes that my house will now be hers. I was beyond surprised by this, considering it's my home that me and my longtime boyfriend purchased together. After telling her that she isn't getting the house multiple times, she began acting aggressive towards me and my now awake boyfriend. I called the cops on her and they forcefully removed her from my property. I've been getting nasty messages for the remainder of yesterday and all day today. Worst of all is that she is hiring a lawyer to fight and say that she has ownership of my home.